This was a great whole day at sea. Our first diving experience and we both loved it. It was a little more difficult than we thought, but it was really a great experience. Our instructors were both very caring and friendly. Bassioni was my instructor in my first dive and he was very caring and friendly. He also took great photos and video. Zaza was my friend's instructor as well as mine in my second dive. Zaza is extremely patient and super nice. We recommend this trip 100%. Everything was sound from pickup on time, very nice and modern boat, safety briefing, outstanding group of professionals on the dive, and all the crew on the boat very kind and ready to help. This is an unforgettable experience, even for inexperienced divers. It was extremely safe, with many instructors doing this day in and day out. It couldn't be better. We booked this trip twice because it was so well organized and certified by PADI, the largest international diving association. We had unforgettable experiences in 200% safe conditions. Such a great experience. We did 2 dives, and as a beginner who was really nervous, this was literally so perfect. The crew are so nice and informative, and I felt so safe with them. They explained everything really well, and it's very well organized that in each dive you are swimming with an instructor. We had a great experience. We got picked up a bit late, but it didn't interfere with the planned schedule. The diving was very nice and enjoyable. The 2 dives are at the same spot but go into 2 different directions. It was a bit cold the whole day, but apparently we had gone exactly in the coldest week of the winter. Recommend taking your own towels with you. Our trip got rescheduled twice due to bad weather, but luckily we were able to manage and get a good day. The lunch is great and very tasty. Soft drinks and coffee also always available. Badr was a very good coach. For a first-timer, we recommend this excursion, which was arranged directly by the hotel. Exactly the same scuba experience offered to tourists for a fraction of the price. Great team, and a lot of awesome people. OFC, the food isn't the highlight of the trip, so don't expect 5 experience. The boat team were amazing. Great fun, professional and knowledgeable. Food was really good, drinks on hand all day, and the boat was great. We all had a fantastic day and the dining spots were brilliant, as was the equipment. Thanks boat team. It was so nice. The Roar guide Mock was so stunning to tell us about anything throughout the entire trip. Thanks so much for a great trip. Definitely I will do it again.